height of that, and then I've got the height over there marked on a post. A wheelbarrow wheel. See what difference is, Frank, Tom? Because they last forever, them plastic ones. So if it's just a fiver, that, you know what I mean? If that's 25 quid, but it's 35 quid for the plastic one, yeah. Worth it, innit? every morning.
So that is the height running from this corner up here down to there. It's quite high, that, isn't it? But this fence does drop after this post, it drops down. So that's the hardcore level. Oh god, I'm falling over. That's the hardcore level, and then up there. Actually, this mark up here, that mark there is the finished flag. Where the line is a mark just behind there. That's the finished flag height. So I can go down 50 more mil there. So it's not actually too bad over in this side. It's down there where it's gonna be loads and loads. When we're whacking it, you've seen we'll go left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, and then we'll go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, I'm doing it 2 to 3 inches constant, like we're doing the whole area with 1 ton, again with 1 ton, rather than it being like 150 mil. To me, you're only compacting the top 2 inch. That's it. So, because we're bringing it up such an amount, then yeah, we just do it in layers. Just loads better. Makes you sleep better at night doing that. In fact, we never get called back for like sinkage and stuff. Preparation is the key. The amount you spend on prep, perfect. Because that is the most important thing. All these block paving drives, if you want us to come and repair it, brilliant. We dig so much. We dig like another 100 mil more than what you should do, just because it's so important. It's peace of mind. Your drive's fine, you know what I mean? It's brilliant. So same with porcelain, same with outlets deep. Just do it up. Just do it in layers, layers, layers. Might take more time, but peace of mind, innit? Peace of mind, and then you get passed on further. Look at like us now. We're working in winter. Summer's working. we're finally getting this level up now. Like I said earlier on, put that string line in, you can't even see it now. Actually, the sun's out. What the hell, man? What is that in the sky? Not used to this. So, we're out of breath here. This is the height now. This is his height. Just need one more barrow in that corner. Probably half a barrow. And then just this strip here. But it's about 100 mil. 100 mil. Just by post or whisker more like. But what we've done today is 5 ton, like we've said. And this side here, we've just put a few inch on there. And then rest of it's gone in that hole up there. So just gotta keep on going, but bloody hell, it's just mind numbing. Yeah, how much can I film of me stoning up? But in between, Tom going, keep bringing cement round for down here. There's 40 square metres down here. It's about 30 bags we need. 30 bags of cement or something like that down here. Yeah. Should be taking shape. Should be. Better bloody be. Wet barrows we've got good 2 or 3 inch. We're level here and it drops down there. So 2 or 3 inch all the way across that. It's fairly even is that side. It's just that side, like I say, let's drop down. But yeah, just gotta keep going. Don't think about it and just keep plodding on. Check out this barrow. What a sack of crap that is. 50 quid, Tom?
Yeah, 54 quid.
54 quid. Phone ringing in. 54 quid. This, the mint, man, but this tyre's going as well. Bending over right a little bit. This tyre's going as well. I've got you on body cam, so I don't know if I need to bend or not. But, so, let me show you the product. 6.5 ton. 3 o'clock. As you've seen, we've been taking it off at van because quarry's only down the road, so just recycled hardcore in and out, in and out. 6.5, and then we're just putting this other bit on AstroTurf, half a ton. But yeah, this area feels good now. Feels really good. It almost feels when you're prepping it like it's falling to this fence a lot, and you're like, if out you'd rake it, but then you're putting level on it, big level on it, and with Porcelain we do the second line on the level, and yeah, it's perfect, but it feels like it's falling like hell, you know. So yeah, we're going home. Got some tracky bottoms I need to take back to bloody night shop, because I last said, well, we'll go last night. We went, sat in traffic all the way through Leeds, got there, shut. Brilliant. Wanted to treat myself to some trainers as well. No. Shut, so we're going back tonight. But we're going back as soon as I get home because Leeds game's on. So coming back will be an absolute nightmare. So Mighty Whites are playing Norwich today. 3-1 Leeds. That's what I'm saying. 3-1 Leeds. Tanaka, Nonto, and James. That's my prediction. So I'll see you all in the morning. Maybe's. Weather's a bit crap at tomorrow. I think we'll be in till lunch and then it just turns. So we'll see what we do get done tomorrow. But see you in the morning, guys. Have a good one.